In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and tap on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To remove one of them, use this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to change order of your contacts, you can always do that by hitting Reorder at the top right corner. Drag in the chosen ones. And after establishing a perfect list, hitting Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!